As a data analyst in Excel, using the button to add new rows offers several advantages. First, it streamlines data entry by automatically inserting a new row at the end of the table, ensuring consistency in formatting and formulas. This feature reduces the likelihood of errors that can occur with manual entry, as it maintains the integrity of the table structure. Additionally, it allows for quick updates to datasets, making it easier to manage large volumes of information. The button also helps in preserving any existing data validation rules, ensuring that new entries adhere to established criteria. Overall, this functionality enhances productivity and efficiency, enabling analysts to focus on analysis rather than data entry logistics. Before we use the Add New Row button, let's manually add as many rows as we can to evaluate its performance. Begin by highlighting row 18 in our table. To add rows, click and hold, then drag down until the black plus sign appears. Now that our table has more than 300 rows, let's scroll to the bottom and check the last row. It's row 320. When we click the Add New Row button, row 321 should be added to the table. As expected, clicking the button immediately adds row 321, and we can now enter a new ID number in column D. You may notice the scrollback button displayed. Clicking it will return the table to its previous position. We've tested the performance of this macro, which works well whenever you want to add a new row at the bottom of the table. Alternatively, to add a row or rows in the middle of the table, highlight the row where you want to insert a new row, then click Insert. A new row will be added, allowing you to enter your data as needed. In conclusion, we have covered how to use this feature to enhance your Excel experience. If you'd like to learn how other features work, please watch my full tutorial on automating tasks in Excel with macros and VBA. I've included the link in the video description below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming content.